Hello children, welcome to channel Sube. Children, today I am going to discuss question number 15 from the MCQ part of 2022-23 Physics New Syllabus paper. Consider the following statements made about absolute zero temperature. The statement capital A, it is the temperature at which water freezes at atmospheric pressure. Capital B statement, it is the temperature at which all gases become liquids, all gases. Capital C, it is the temperature at which mean kinetic energy of an ideal gas becomes zero. Of the above statements, only A is true, second one only C is true, third one only A and C are true, fourth one only B and C are true, fifth one all A, B and C are true. So children, where we learn about in physics this absolute zero, in the lesson Charles law, when we learn about gases in the lesson heat, we learn Charles law, Charles first law and second law. So there we plot a graph like this, taking temperature theta in Celsius degrees to the x-axis and taking pressure or volume. You remember that there is a coil tube like this, and using that we do a practical event. You must have done this, or the simple form is this one, just a tube of which the length should be to 23 centimeter, over 23 over, and also there is a small mercury column. There is a mercury column, this side should be open like this to the atmosphere. So there is a mercury column, small one, trapping the air column inside the tube, and with a scale like this, it should be like this. Scale up. Like this. We attach it using garters to this or sellotape. So there is a scale. If you have done this, usually you don't remember, you don't forget it easily. So this experiment we do, and after that we plot a graph. Then we get the volume. If we do this one, we take volume to the y-axis, and we get readings like this around the room temperature. This temperature is something about 20 to 80, around that temperature. We get points like this, and we join them to get the graph and extend it to cross the x-axis like this. So there, at the point where it crosses the x-axis, we say that temperature is what? Minus 73 Celsius. In Celsius we say that is minus, because 0 is here. This is the temperature at which water freezes at room pressure, water freezing temperature. water freezes. So it is this temperature. So this one we call what? Absolute zero. This one we call absolute zero. That means in Kelvin, capital T equals 0 in Kelvin. 0 in Kelvin. So here it is 273 Kelvin, where at which water freezes. So what is this? The meaning of this statement A? It is the temperature at which it is, means this one, absolute zero. They are talking about absolute zero. So it is the temperature at which water freezes at atmospheric pressure. So that is wrong. It is here. That is also atmospheric, at atmospheric pressure. Water freezes at atmospheric pressure, where at centigrade 0. Centigrade 0. Centigrade 0, that is this place. So they say this one is the water freezing temperature. So that is wrong. Obviously it is wrong. First one is wrong. It is here. It should be here. Water freezes at say 0 centigrades, not at minus 273. Then let us go to this one, statement B. It is the temperature at which all gases become liquids. So children, let us look at this table. It has two columns. Left side column has gases, right side column has boiling point at atmospheric pressure. The unit is centigrade degrees. So first carbon dioxide minus 78.5, it is somewhere here. Carbon dioxide somewhere here. Then chlorine minus 34, it is somewhere here. Chlorine. Then hydrogen minus 253 here. Then nitrogen 196 here. Then oxygen just below that here. So children, various gases has various boiling points. So you can easily see that on this graph. What they say in the question is it is the temperature at which all the gases become liquids. So that is entirely wrong. They say it is the temperature, means at this temperature all the gases become liquids. That is the idea in the question. So it is entirely wrong. Various places there are for various gases. So therefore it is wrong. This one is wrong. Then let us go to this statement C. It is the temperature at which mean kinetic energy of an ideal gas becomes 0. So mean kinetic energy, what is it? The equation you should remember. Mean kinetic energy, mean, so you say bar, mean 3 divided by 2 or 1/2 of RT. This is the equation of for all the gases. This energy for 1 mole. For 1 mole kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. So R is not 0. You know, R is not 0. So to become this one 0, kinetic energy, so they say that is what? Kinetic energy is 0 at what? It is the temperature. It is means here the absolute 0. At the absolute 0, all the kinetic energy is 0. That is what they say in the question. kinetic energy 0 of an ideal gas becomes 0. So, so to be this one 0, to go to 0, so this temperature must go to 0. So that is correct. That is correct according to the equation. That is correct. So this one is correct. So that means all the gases have 0 kinetic energy at this particular temperature. What is it? Absolute 0. At absolute 0, all the gases have 0 kinetic energy. So that is what they say in this statement C. It is the temperature at which mean kinetic energy of all the gases, all the ideal gases become 0. So this graph is for ideal gases. This one is for ideal gases. So here all the ideal gases, here it should be like that, ideal. All the ideal gases have 0. So this one is correct. So children, the answer for this one is only C is correct, only C is true. So this one, the second one is the answer. So question number 15, let us check the answer. Second one, correct. So children, now we are going to do target questions. Here is your first question, target question number 1. The mean kinetic energy of neon gas at 27 centigrade is, what is? R is the universal gas constant. In terms of R, you have to find out. So do it. Try to find the answer on your own, alone, honestly. Pause the video without looking at my answer. Do it. So as you pause the video, I am going to start now. So you have to use that previous equation what I mentioned you, 3/2 RT. So here 3/2 R T is what? 27 plus 273, that is 300 Kelvin. This one is centigrade. This one also is centigrade. So here you have to substitute 300. So 300 times 3 is 900 divided by 2 times R. So 450 times R. That is the answer. This one. Fourth one is the answer. What happened to you? If you are successful, you are genius. So let us go to the next target question. So children, here is your next target question, question number 2. Try to solve this on your own without my help. Honestly do it. Pause the video first. So as you have paused the video, now I am going to do the average kinetic energy of neon gas at a certain temperature is 450 R according to the universal gas constant. The kinetic energy of oxygen gas at the same temperature in terms of universal gas constant R is, so we have to use the same equation, 3 divided by 2 RT. So whatever the gas, the nature of the gas doesn't affect the kinetic energy, only the temperature influences the kinetic energy of a gas. So even though it is neon or oxygen, it doesn't matter if the temperature is same, at the same temperature. So the answer is this one, the same value, 450 times R joule. So this one is the answer, fourth one. So children, here is your next target question, question number 3. read the question and try to do it on your own, alone, without my help. Pause the video, don't look at my answer. Pause the video first and then start. As you have paused the video, I don't take much time, so I am going to start. So the equation kinetic energy for 1 mole kinetic energy for 1 mole is given by 3 divided by 2 RT equation. But the kinetic energy for 1 molecule is given by one molecule or 1 atom, whatever it is, for 1 unit. 3 divided by 2 K times T. So here K is Boltzmann constant. So what is Boltzmann constant is, R divided by Avogadro number. So the answer is this one. What is Boltzmann constant? R is the universal gas constant divided by Avogadro number. So this one is the answer, first one. So children, now I am going to wind up the video because the time is over. So what we have done today, the question, the 2022-23 physics new syllabus paper question, the question number 15 we discussed, and also I designed the target question for you and did all the typesetting and also discussed the target question 1, and also I designed this target question 2 and did all the typesettings and discussed the target question 2. So I did all these things for you, this target question 3. So I think you are happy. This even though this video is only 15 minutes, I spent more than 4 hours for this, children, because I have to design the question and check whether it is correct or not, and then do typesetting and also make the video and also edit the video even. So lot of time I spent for you. So I think you are happy. If you are happy, what you have to do, make me happy too, by subscribing my channel. If you haven't still done it, then share my link among your friends, then only automatically the YouTube forwards my video. Then press the bell icon and also give me a like by pressing the like icon, thumb up icon. So children, let us see you tomorrow at 6 o'clock in the evening. Goodbye children.